Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you my bag. Like I was telling you, I'm gonna go to Australia. Check the weather that you're gonna arrive because you can think that it's hot and you can take a lot of hot clothes, and when you go there you can watch that it's really cold. That's the thing that I investigate and never been there in Australia. It's my first time, so I'm gonna show you what I put in my backpack. So yeah, let's go with my backpack. Okay guys, so the first thing that you have to make sure is bring with you all the documents you're gonna need it. For example, your passport. I am from Ecuador, so from here they ask you to have this vaccine certificate. It depends about your country, but if you're from Colombia or Ecuador, you're gonna need this of the yellow flow. So consider that. If you are, I don't know where are you watching me, but if you are from Latin America, you should practice your English, and this is like a way to practice, no? So yeah, consider that. Other things that you can take with you is your visa, because you know that they don't put your visa in your passport. They give you like a digital visa, but I recommend you to print the visa and take with you in this kind of things, because you don't know, sometimes like your cell phone can go with no battery, so you're gonna have like the paper. My mom insists that I bring this with me. It's like a blank. I'm gonna hurt her because you know moms always rice. I'm gonna put this. It's not that heavy and it's warm. I watch a lot of videos and some people recommend to bring with you a blanket because you don't know how is the weather and you probably need it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the bottom of this so I don't use a lot of space. Okay. Other things that I heard is important to bring with you is these jackets. No jackets, so they are not too heavy, and yeah, they are warm. So I recommend you to put also this in your backpack because you didn't know how is the weather. For example, I'm going on winter, so yeah, I think this is gonna be important. And of course, my favorite jacket is an Ecuadorian jacket. It's really warm and I really like this, so I'm gonna put also this here. Okay guys, other thing important are these Tupperwares. So yeah, so you can put your food, you can cook and take your food to other places, and yeah, it's really useful. So yeah, you should consider this. You're gonna need it. I mean, you can buy them, but you're gonna take two just for emergency. I'm gonna need that a lot because you know it's too expensive to buy food, so I need to cook my food and put this and you know take to the work and things like that. Okay guys, another important thing is you know Australia have a lot of beach, so yeah, the swim suit. So yeah, I'm gonna take 3 of them just in case, so I can enjoy the water there. Other important thing that you should consider is like the weight of your backpack. You should check this on your ticket of your flight, and yeah, consider that and make sure that you don't pass the way that they allowed you. Other important thing that I heard in a lot of videos is that you should take with you like this, that is a black jean, because in a lot of work they ask you to wear this kind of clothes, and instead that you buy them, you can take if you have from home and save some money. So yeah, black jean, also a black t-shirt and a white t-shirt that is right here. So yeah, consider also that and put in your backpack. Good advice is that you can take like this to the you can take your clothes, your jeans, and roll it, and you can have more space in your backpack. So yeah, also gonna take a lot of shirts to there because it's warm when start the summer. The summer there is like start on December and finish on February. So yeah, also gonna take some shirts. I really like that. Comfortable, but
I recommend you also to take with you shirts.
Other thing that you can take with you is this. I'm gonna use this to go to the airport because I have a lot of pockets. It's really comfortable, and you don't need a belt here. Always in the airport they make you take off the belt and go to the scanners and things like that. So yeah, I think this is really useful too. Okay, guys, another important thing that I really recommend you to bring with you is this little backpack. I didn't know the name, sorry for that, but here in Ecuador they call this cangurera. Uh, Also, I think in other countries of Latin America it calls like riñonera. So yeah, you can learn some Spanish with me. So yeah, this is really important because here you can put something, for example, your AirPods, you can put your documents, your wallet, and things like that, and always have with you. It's really comfortable, like you make sure that you're gonna don't lose anything. Okay, guys, so make sure that what backpacks your flight allows you. For example, in my case, it's a big one, and I have this small one. So I make some videos, and yeah, I'm gonna take like this battery, so I can charge all my devices, and also the things that I use to make videos for you. So I can put here, and yeah, make sure that other recommendation that I gonna tell you is that you can put some cloth like boxers, t-shirt here, just in case your backpack get lost or take more time to arrive. So you have other cloth here. So yeah, this is also another recommendation. I'm gonna take towel with me, just in case, because where are you staying and if the towels are clean or not. So yeah, this is other recommendation. And I think that other good recommendation for you guys is take with you comfortable shoes, because now you're gonna walk a lot. So I'm gonna show you the shoes that I bought. Are like Skechers. They are really comfortable. They are not that expensive. Okay, guys. So yeah, don't forget your brush teeth, your sunscreen also, like this. So yeah, also like the medicines that you're gonna need it. I bought this, for example, from headache. If you get flu or a stomach. So yeah, don't forget this and the prescription that the doctor give you. No, don't forget those two because it's really important. You can translate the prescription if you are from a country that don't speak English. So yeah, don't forget also that. Other important thing that I have to mention, for example, for me, it's really difficult when I go to the airplane and I start to have a lot of hurt in my ears. So some recommendations to that is to drink a lot of water, to bite gum and start to eat that, and yeah, also you can buy these things to protect your ears like earpods to put them, and you're gonna have more problems with that if you have those problems. So yeah, that's also another recommendation.
So yeah, I think you have to be mentally prepared because leave your friends, leave your family, leave your country. It's not gonna be easy. So consider also that. I was saying goodbye to my family and it was really hard. And yeah, there I start the trip to Australia, and I'm gonna show you a little bit. I take a flight from Quito to Lima, then to Santiago de Chile, and here I'm gonna go to Australia. So yeah, it's kind of tired, but I feel good, I feel great. Some recommendation here is when you snacks, so you can have something to eat. So I recommend you to put a bow in your backpack because it's gonna be more easy that you can see that and take it, because sometimes there are a lot of backpacks and it's kind of difficult to find yours. Okay guys, well, we were walking around here and I told you the flight is really long. Right now I'm going to take my flight to Australia, to Sydney. So in the flight you have to wait a lot of time, you have to be in the airport a lot of times. So I recommend you to download music, download movies and things like that, so you can be a little bit more comfortable and not that boring, or you can do something that you need at work, your CV or everything. So yeah, be prepared because you're gonna have a lot of free time there.
Okay guys, so welcome back. Right now we're here in the airport of Sydney. The flight was really tired, to be honest. There was 14 hours to be there, sit there. It's kind of boring, but right now we are here. The airport is really nice. I recommend you to buy like a chip from a SIM card from for your cell phone. I have like this discount of $5. They give me a free eSIM, so they only charge me $15, and I can have internet. So yeah, it's really important so you can know how you can go to your hotel or ask for an Uber or things like that.
Okay, so I'm here in the place where I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna take some rest because I'm really tired. And yeah, hope that you like this video. Hope that the tips are useful for you. And thank you for watching me. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.